guys, let's make chicken shawarma for dinner. Yay! Alright, so here this you'll see all the seasonings I used in the video. Oh my goodness. The shawarmas were delicious. I mean delicious. Make them, and you'll thank me later. One thing, don't forget to let your chicken sit in the fridge for a few minutes. I would say 30 minutes to marinate. Yep, the chicken was ready here. Ooh, look at it. Look at it. Oh my goodness. Ugh, just delicious. That's the wrap I used. My thick sauce. I just made that from nice. It was good. I mean good. It's chicken, a little bit of onions, some pickles, and then add on lettuce. I love lettuce. Now let's wrap it up, and I'll use try this and you won't regret it. I mean, you won't regret it because, oh my goodness, they were so delicious. Thank you for watching.